Before the act of taking a death row prisoner's life, whether by lethal injection, the gas chamber, or historically another way, the condemned are given an opportunity to speak their last words. So in this video, we are going to tell you about 10 shocking last words of death row inmates in 2022. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 10. Thomas J. Grasso. I did not get my SpaghettiOs, I got spaghetti. I want the press to know this. Thomas Grasso received the death sentence for strangling an elderly woman with Christmas lights during a robbery and 6 months later murdering an elderly man to steal his Social Security check. Although his last meal included 4 dozen steamed mussels and clams, a Burger King double cheeseburger, a half dozen barbecued spare ribs, and 2 strawberry milkshakes. Number 9. Richard Zeitvogel. Keep the faith and rock on. Richard Zeitvogel was in jail for armed robbery and rape when he and his lover Frank Ginnan fatally stabbed an inmate. However, it was Ginnan who received the death sentence while Zeitvogel got life in prison. Number 8. Johnny Frank Garrett. I'd like to thank my family for loving me and taking care of me, and the rest of the world can kiss my ass. Indicted for the rape and murder, Johnny Frank Garrett's execution was a controversial one due to the fact that he was mentally handicapped and only 17 when he was sentenced. Number 7. George Engel. Hurrah for anarchy. This is the happiest moment of my life. George Engel was a German immigrant who lost faith in the political process and joined the International Working People's Association. It is a big rally full of anarchists and labor activists turned violent when a bomb was thrown at the police, killing 7. Number 6. Robert Charles Towery. I love my family. Potato, potato, potato. Robert Charles Towery was executed through lethal injection, which is ironic considering he was charged with injecting battery acid into his victim before strangling him to death. The victim was a philanthropist who loaned money to Towery on several occasions and used him as his mechanic. Number 5. James Lewis Jackson. Warden, murder me. He then referred to Harris County, where he was convicted, as Sodom and Gomorrah, the biblical cities destroyed by God for their sins. I'm ready to roll. Time to get this party started. James Lewis Jackson married Sharon Jackson and became a father to 2 stepdaughters. Due to heavy drug use, he had trouble keeping a job. After struggling with the marriage and his wife threatening divorce, he ended up strangling her and her 2 daughters. Number 4. George APPEL. Well, gentlemen, you are about to see a baked APPEL. While getting strapped to the electric chair, George APPEL suddenly found the situation humorous and delivered those infamous last words. These words quickly spread through the public and became more remembered than his actual crime. Number 3. Barbara Graham. Good people are always so sure they're right. After a rough childhood and a string of failed marriages, Barbara Graham went into prostitution before being married again to a bartender and drug addict. She soon left him for a business associate of his, Emmett Perkins, who ran an illegal gambling operation. The couple, as well as other accomplices, decided to rob a widow who was rumored to have a large stash of cash in her home. Number 2. Jeffrey David Matthews. I think that governor's phone is broken. He hadn't called yet. Jeffrey David Matthews had his execution postponed 3 times, twice by the governor of Oklahoma to further investigate his claims of innocence, and once due to the controversy surrounding the drugs they were going to administer to him. Matthews was indicted murder of his great-uncle, Otis Earl Short, after he and an accomplice robbed his home. Matthews shot Short in the back of the head and slit his wife's throat, but she managed to survive. Number 1. Jimmy Glass. I'd rather be fishing. Jimmy Glass and inmate Jimmy Wingo escaped from jail and shot an elderly couple to death while burglarizing their home. Both blamed each other for the crime and both ended up in the electric chair. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.